Alright guys, I was told by many adults, some of whom were your parents, that one of the things I have to teach you about is how to save money in a super easy way involving your furnace and like 30 seconds of time. Maybe a minute if we count ordering furnace filters on Amazon. So in front of me, I have a furnace filter. Now the back of it, you'll see, is fairly clean, right? It looks fairly clean. But the side that catches the airflow is fairly dirty. Looks fairly dirty. And here's how I know which direction the air flows. On your furnace filter, what timing is that? I'm going to shut this off real fast. That was really funny. Could not have planned that even better. So luckily I was not showing you the filter that should have been in the furnace, but you'll see on your filter there's an arrow that says airflow. That arrow is going to tell you how to insert your filter when you change it, and the thing you're looking for to know that you have found your furnace filter is a part of your furnace that has something with some dimensions on it. So for my furnace, that is right back here, and you can kind of see there are kind of two different parts of the air handler system. This is actually where it heats all the air and goes up into the house. This is what's called the return that comes from the house back to the furnace and cycles around. So our air is going to go this way into the air handler and up through the system. So we would pull, now you can't really see it, and that's probably good because I can barely get it up. We pull our old filter out. We would grab a new filter, and honestly, when you're buying a filter, you might as well buy a box of filters. So buy a box of filters off Amazon, right, or Home Depot or wherever. Pull out a nice new white looking filter. Check the airflow direction. And there's no real up or down on these. It's nice if you leave your dimensions pointing outward so the next person would be able to see it. And there's an install date. You can write the install date on here. Honestly, it's worth setting a calendar reminder and doing it like every month or every couple months, whatever cycle you get on. These are pretty thin air filters. Your HVAC system, if you have a larger house than us, might have larger, thicker filters, 2, 3, 4 times as thick as this. No joke. There are some really big furnace filters, especially to catch allergens. But what I know is my airflow direction tells me that this side facing me is the back of the filter. So I'm going to put that right in its slot and slide it in and make sure you get it all the way pushed in. And that's it. That's how you change your furnace filter to go from something gross and dirty into something nice and clean that is going to be a lot easier on your HVAC system and is going to help you save money. Not only will the heater run for less time, but when it's running, it will be more efficient, and your air coming out of your vents will even feel warmer and nicer. And as we head into this cold Ohio winter, that's worth it. So yeah, go change your furnace filter, order a few extras so, you know, when you forget about it, and then remember, you've got the extras on hand to take care of it. And on to the next video.